This is the chimney and fire starter combo pack by E500. I want to start off by thanking E500 for gifting me with this product set. What I want to talk about first is how it arrives. So there is some assembly involved. So basically it comes with the handle and this extra handle and then this plate removed, and it just comes with a screw and a nut and a screw and a nut here. And the nice thing about it is that it comes with tools. This is the wrench, and then you have a little Allen wrench to help to put this together. And it's very easy. I did it myself. Very simple, really good, clear instructions, so it's really easy to assemble. One thing about this is that it's very sturdy and very solid, and it's large. We do a lot of smoking and grilling in our family, so we really will put this to use. This is what our current chimney looks like. It's very rusted out, and this says that it's rust resistant and corrosion resistant. So I'm really curious to see how this holds up over time, because as you can see, the other one, we really put it to the test. Love the size. You can see how deep it is. It has a large capacity, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So I'll show you how it works. So to start with, the fire starters come in a box of 60. There's 2 packages that look like this in here, and I'll show you what they look like. So these are what the fire starters look like. We've used a similar product, and so we'll see how these turn out. So we have our 2 fire starters here. We're gonna start this off by lighting them on this surface before moving them to our smoker, the firebox in our smoker. And then my husband has the chimney filled with charcoal briquettes. He's gonna sit that on there for about 10 minutes to let it light fully. So right now, you can see it's smoking. You can see in there, embers are glowing. We will come back when it's ready. So it's been a couple minutes, and you can see it's starting to smoke at the top. It's not ready, but I just wanted to show you the progression. Another progress video. It's really smoking now, but it's not quite ready. You can see that there's a lot more smoke, and you can really see the flames inside. All right, so it's ready. You can see some flames coming through the top, and my husband is grabbing it, and we'll be taking it over to the firebox. This is the firebox. And there you go. The longer handle added leverage and support to empty the chimney. Our firebox is lit, and it's ready for us to start smoking. So just interested to see how it lasts over the long haul. Very pleased with it so far. This is how it looks after, so you can see the markings on it, but so far so good. So we'll see how it goes over time.